for basically for newbies. Now, some people, so this is the best way that I found to get coins. And since one of the updates, quite a while ago, I'm not sure, I don't remember, it's been much harder to get coins. So today I'm going to show you the most effective way to do this. And some people have done this before, but yeah, I'm just going to show you how to do this the best. My personal best way. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to go to Co-op Survival, and you're going to want to go to Custom. Now once it's done that, you're going to list the game. Just press Create, and the best map for this, I'd say, is Deadly Arena, because it's the smallest amount of space and it can really help you. Then, because you're going to understand why you should do it to max players as 2 in a bit, and you shouldn't really, you can if you want, like please don't join or something like that. That'll just make people want to join. In my opinion, I wouldn't do that, but yeah. So now you're going to want to create, and you're just going to want to play, okay? So this is why you're going to want to do this, and this is the best method for you to do. Yes. I personally think this is really think that this is the best way, and also I've seen many videos showing you that this probably is the best way. Oh gosh, yeah, because it's just a really simple way. All you have to do is kill the monsters, and then you get points. You get the coins and the XP around. The best thing to do, the best thing to get is to at least do, the best thing to do is to at least get 10,000, because if you don't get, you get about 3 points for 10,000, and that's why, and usually for like, say for deathmatch, you'll only get 2 coins, and you have to come at the tip, and you have to be first to get even the coins, which I don't think is a really good way if you're looking to get coins. But yeah, this is more for people who are new. You'll get more coins the further you are in the game, which is why it's not completely for game start. Basically new people to the game. But yeah, it's mainly for them. Now I've seen loads of people do this, but I haven't seen them do it in a while. And before the game ends, I just want to tell you guys that I'm so sorry that I haven't been uploading in a while. I'm going to make sure to upload much more now, just because I've been really confused on what to do, like what sort of games I should do, and how I should walk, how I should record them. So yeah, I'm going to start recording much more using this cool app. And if you want to know how I record my games at the moment, how I'm recording this, give the video a thumbs up, and if we get to say 5 thumbs up, I'll make sure I will do this video for you. I'll do a video for you explaining how to get how to record your software easily. But this way isn't the best way, I don't think. Probably the best way for me at the moment, but maybe not for you, because I had some problems with this when I first did it. Well, not when I first did it, but when I tried to re-get it, like sometimes I used to have some problems, but now it's fine. It wouldn't download, it so that it couldn't download, and I try and I do it again, but it still wouldn't do it. So yeah, if you get that problem, then it's not just you. The computer isn't bad, your device isn't bad, it's just your thing. But anyway, yeah, I might not get 10,000 at the moment. I might and I might not, but hopefully yes, so I can show you how much coins you exactly get for this. So So let's just wait. Okay, we have 18 seconds and I think I just about might get it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll get it. Yeah, I've got it. And before this ends, I just want to tell you that please don't die, because if you die, oh come on, if you die then you're gonna lose about 1,000 points, and they are precious. They are. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, I have been rewarded 3 coins and 20 XP, which is good. Yeah, it's quite good. And I leveled up. So yeah, it's a really good way for leveling up as well. So yeah, if you wanna be more leveling up, then you can. And as you can see, nobody joined my game because it was a bit boring. Because you're gonna make it look boring because you don't want anybody to join. Because competing is cool, but yeah, you can easily fail. Like, you can easily say if they're better levels than you or if they have better guns than you. You can simply not do it, and you won't get all the coins. But anyway, yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, as I said, to know how I record myself. My iPad, just give it 5 likes, and if you can get 5 likes and maybe say 50 views, I will be very much happy, and I will post a video on how to get this. If you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed basically, and